some imposts on insurance. Certainly, their logic with self-regulation was the fact that they should be able to suspend the insurance payment during an incident. Obviously, they're going to be geared up to people during the time of greatest need, as in immediately after a disaster. That involves some considerations. One of the factors in when we actually come to pricing a policy, there's risk is part of it, administration is part of it, insurance.
Is that funny? Because Mum's got the hiccups. Angus. Angus. Angus.
The competition watchdog has now approved the decision today means that there can be competition in telecommunications from today on. But in particular, with the whole price around the country that we have promised. The country will get the same benefits, the same wholesale benefits as people in other parts of the nation. It's worth $11 million to the telco and this year. 2 overseas now and 9 people are dead and 10 others have been wounded. This was like an attack in Afghanistan. It's the worst crisis away from learning copies of the Quran and this report from North America constantly
Oh, you're funny. No, you can't eat it.